Wolverine, a powerful mutant.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Transform in superbike.
Superman, with the power of superhuman strength.
Transform in superbike.
Deadpool, with expert combat skills.
Transform in superbike.
Wonder Woman, with his magical weapons.
Transform in superbike.
Black Panther, the king of Wakanda.
Transform in superbike.
Thor, the god of thunder.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Transform in superbike.
Doctor Strange, the power of manipulate time.
Transform in superbike.
Spiderman, with the power of spider sense.
Transform in superbike.
Hulk, made up of gamma radiation.
Transform in superbike.
Captain America, the Winter Soldier.
Transform in superbike.
Aquaman, the king of Atlantis.
Transform in superbike.
Batman, with the power of peak human abilities.
Transform in superbike.
Iron Man, with his genius level armor.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Transform in superbike.
Green Lantern, which creates anything.
Transform in superbike.
Shazam, the control over magic.
Transform in superbike.
Thanos, the villain of Avengers.
Transform in superbike.